So let us start with a new video. In this video we will discuss about some example in KCL and KVL, Kirchhoff's current law and Kirchhoff voltage law. Using this law we have to solve some numerical problem based on the Kirchhoff current law and voltage law. So some revision point of view I have written here. So current I is flowing in the resistance, so voltage will be I multiplied by R, Ohm's law. If there is an inductor and current I is flowing through this inductor, the voltage in this inductor will be V equal to L di by dt, and if it is a capacitor, then current in capacitor will be I equal to C dV by dt. This is one relation, this is another relation, and this is the voltage relation in resistor. So I have to utilize all these relations to solve this problem. This problem is from the book A.E. Fitzgerald Basic Electrical Engineering book. So this problem is basically based on the Kirchhoff current law. We have to solve this problem by using Kirchhoff current law. So now see how we'll solve it. So in our previous videos, whatever we have studied in video 1 to 4 of the basic electrical engineering, everything is being utilized here. So you see, this is a current source, but this is not independent. This is dependent current source and current dependent current source, because its value is depending on the I1. I1 is the current flowing in this resistor having 5 ohm resistance. I2 is current flowing in the capacitor. I3 is an independent current source. This current source is independent. I3 is independent current source. 10 I1 is dependent current source. This is inductor, and voltage across the inductor is V4, and current flowing in the inductor is I4. So in this problem, it is given that voltage V1 is 10 e to the power minus 2t volt, V2 equal to 2 e to the power minus 2t volts, I3 is given 6 e to the power minus 2t ampere, and we have to find the value of V4. V4 means voltage in the inductor. So voltage in the inductor, the formula for voltage in inductor is V4 equal to L d I4 by dt. So here you see inductance is given. Inductance is how much? Inductance is 1 by 2. So L multiplied by di4 divided by dt. Means ki if we find this value I4, we will find the value of V4. So our main task is to calculate the value of I4. So how you will find the value of I4? So let us see here I2. If you see here, I2 is the current in the inductor. Current in the capacitor. So I2 equal to C dV2 by dt. This is the relation for current in the capacitor, and capacitance is 2. So differentiation of V2 is given. V2 is given 2 e to the power minus 2t by dt. So if you differentiate, 2 will come outside and this minus 2 also. So differentiation, it will give you minus 8 e to the power minus 2t. So I2 is calculated. Now V1 is given. So I1 we can find in the resistance using Ohm's law. I1 in the inductance is V1 by R1, and R1 is resistance is 5 ohm. V1 divided by 5. So V1 is how much? V1 is given 10 e to the power minus 2t divided by 5. So it will come 2 e to the power minus 2t. So I1 is calculated. Now if I1 is calculated, then this 10 I1 is also calculated, because I1 is calculated. So 10 I1 will be 20 e to the power minus 2t. So this value is known. Here I1 is known, I2 is known, I3 is given. I3 is how much? I3 is given in the question. It is 6 e to the power minus 2t. I3 is given. So every current in all element is given. Like here current is known, here current is known, here current is known, here also current is known. So we can find here current I4 using Kirchhoff current law at node A. Suppose this node name is A. So as per Kirchhoff current law, we know that sum of all the currents at a node is 0. So how much current? This I2 is current outside, I1 is inside, I4 is outside, then I1 is outside, I3 is inside. So here you take inside current as negative. So I3 is inside, so it is negative. Then which current is inside? I1 is inside, so it is also negative. Now you see I2 is outside, so it is positive. Then again 10 I1 is also outside, so it is positive. And I4 is also outside, so it is positive, equal to 0. This is Kirchhoff current law. So every current is known here except I4. I4 is not known. So you just put the value I3. I3 is how much? I3 is 6 e to the power minus 2t minus how much I1? I1 is this much, 2 e to the power minus 2t plus I2. I2 is how much? I2 is minus 8 e to the power minus 2t plus 10 multiplied by I1. I1 is how much? 2 e to the power minus 2t plus I4 equal to 0. Now you just manipulate this equation. 6 minus 6 and minus 2. It will be minus 8 and minus 8. Minus 16 and here plus 20. So minus 16 plus 20. It will be plus 4. So I4 finally we can write I4 equal to minus 4 e to the power minus 2t ampere. So now we have I4. I4 is calculated. Once I4 is calculated, so the voltage across the inductor means ki V4. So now V4 we can find very easily. What will be the value of V4? L di4 by dt. What is the value of L? L is given in the question 1 by 2 Henry multiplied by di4. I4 just calculated this value, you see. So put this value minus 4 e to the power minus 2t differentiation dt. So how much you will get? So this minus minus plus and divided by 2. So it will be 4 e to the power minus 2t volt. Means we have calculated the value of V4. Let us see one more example on Kirchhoff voltage law. Now let us see one example on Kirchhoff voltage law. This is the question given here. A closed loop is given, means starting from A, B, C, D, A. A closed loop is given. So we need given data are V1 is given 12 sin 2t. V1 is the voltage here, 12 sin 2t is given. I2 is given 4 sin 2t. I3 is given 2 sin 2t minus 4 cos 2t. We have to find the value of I4. So I4 means it is the current in capacitance. So we know the value in current, for current in capacitor is C dV by dt. So anyhow, if I find the value of V4, C is known, C is given as 1 by 4. So we can find very easily I4 by using this relation. So for this we need to apply Kirchhoff voltage law. How we can apply Kirchhoff voltage law? First we find all the voltages like V1, V2, V3 and V3. So you see here V2, to find the V2 voltage, which is voltage across the inductor, V2 equal to L di 2 by dt. L is how much? L is 2. Differentiation. I2 is how much? I2 is given this much. So differentiation of 4 sine 2t dt. It will come. 2 will be outside. So 8 and multiplied by 2, 16 sine 2t. So V2 is calculated. Now calculate V3. So V3 is how much? V3 equal to voltage in the resistance. So voltage in the resistance will be equal to I multiplied by R. R is 5, I 3. So I 3 is given 2 sine 2t minus 4 cos 2t. So just multiply it by 5. It will give you 10 sine 2t minus 20 cos 2t. So V3 is known. Now V2 is known, V3 is known, and V1 is also given. So V1 is known. So here voltage known, this voltage known, this voltage known, this is dependent. This is voltage dependent voltage source. This voltage is also known. So we can find very easily the value of V4. So to calculate the V4, we need to apply the Kirchhoff voltage law. So let us apply Kirchhoff voltage law. Sum of the all voltage. Let us apply KVL for closed path A, B, C, D, A. So starting from here, going here, it is voltage rise. So I have told you to take voltage rise as negative. So write it minus V3 voltage. Here again voltage rise is there. So write it negative 5 V2. Then here voltage drop. So write it as positive. Now again voltage rise is there. So write it negative. Again voltage drop is there. So you write it here V2 and it will give equate it 0. This is called Kirchhoff voltage law. So now you put all this value V3, V2, V1. So putting this value you will get the value of V4. So V3 is how much? Minus 10 sine 2t minus 20 cos 2t minus 5. V2 is 16 sine 2t plus V4 minus V1. V1 is how much? V1 is given. So V1 is 12 sine 2t given in the question plus V2. V2 is how much? V2 is here. V2 is 16 sine 2t equal to 0. So you solve it, you will get the value of V4. V4 is equal to 22 sine 2t plus 44 cos 2t. This is voltage. So now you will find very easily the current I4 equal to C dV 4 by dt. How much C? C is 1 by 4 and you just differentiate this. So you will get, after differentiation, you will get the result, that is the result. Finally I am writing the result and it is coming 11 cos 2t minus 22 sine 2t. So this is your V4, sorry I4. Using V4